Hello, everyone. So tonight is pasta night with shrimp. I love shrimp, okay? So the pasta I'm using tonight is a gluten-free garbanzo bean pasta. And you'll see a lot of those different flavors at the store and stuff. So you don't have to use that one. You could just use regular pasta that, like the ones that they sell for like $1.59 water or $1.29. It doesn't matter. Just any kind of pasta is fine. Okay, so I did my pasta already. I did add a little bit of salt to the water. And now the pasta's cooked and I put it to the side. Then the next thing I did is I grabbed my little saucepan here and I took about, almost 2 tablespoons of butter. And I put it in there and melted it. And then I put chopped up bacon, 2 strips of chopped up bacon in it, and I fried that with that butter. And then I threw a handful of the shrimp in. I got these shrimp on sale, so I thought, this is perfect. So I did that, and that's it. So I fried that up. And then once that got all done, everything, and the bacon was brown and stuff, then I'm going to move that over to my pasta pan. There's my pasta pan. So I'm going to move it all into the pasta pan for right now. Okay, then the next thing I want to do is I want to put my pan back on the fire. Okay, that's on a high temperature. All right, and then I'm going to wait till the pan gets a little bit hot. But why I'm waiting for that pan to get a little hot before I put my sauce together is I want to show you the salad and tell you how I did the salad. So I got some mozzarella and I just put it in little cubes. I cut up in little cubes. And then I took some cherry tomatoes and I tossed it with the mozzarella with a little bit. I didn't have fresh basil, so I just used dried basil, right? And then I used red wine vinegar, and this is the brand that I used. And I used some extra virgin olive oil, the dark green kind. I like to use that one. And this is what my glaze was after I mixed it together with salt and pepper. Just a dressing, right? A simple dressing. And so at the top of it, I put the glaze. I just opened it up and just swirled the glaze on top. Now, if you buy this, you don't want to put this in the refrigerator. That's the brand. You don't want to put it in the refrigerator. You want to always keep it in your cabinet. Yeah, they don't recommend in the refrigerator. All right, so my pan's ready now. So I've got 1 egg, and I take 1 egg and I mix it up with some chives, about 2 tablespoons of chives that I had in my freezer. And I'm going to put about 4 tablespoons of half and half. Whoop, I done made a mess now. And then I'm going to take a little bit of garden vegetable cream cheese that I had in the refrigerator. I'm just trying to use up some of my stuff here. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to put 1/4 of a cup, let me move this over, 1/4 of a cup of Parmesan, shredded Parmesan cheese into that bowl. The same one. And I'm going to mix that all up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the pan and I'm going to cook it away. Now, when I cook this down, it should start to get thicker. Once it gets thicker, it's ready. Ooh, it already smells good. And I just keep stirring it. You don't want to leave it sit because it'll burn because of the Parmesan cheese and the cream cheese and stuff. You want to keep going with it. Okay, I think that's thick enough now. All right, now I'm going to put my pasta and my shrimp. I better stir this shrimp now with this pasta because my pasta is supposed to be hot. They got a little cold, but that's okay. We can always reheat it a little bit. And so that's what I'm going to be doing for dinner tonight for myself. So if you find that it's a little thick and you're having trouble, then you can add a little bit more of half and half. All right, let me show you how that looks. So all I did, just mix it in, just like that. Quick and easy. So it's done. It's finished. That fast. Now, I find this shrimp is really very reasonably priced. I mean, I got a pretty good container of shrimp for $5, and I thought that was pretty good. I didn't even use hardly any of the shrimp. I just, you know, wanted to put a little bit, and I'll just stick it in the freezer and use it for another time. I gotta turn that off there. So there you have it. We got a shrimp pasta dish for tonight for dinner. And then the salad. Wow. All right, guys. I hope you liked this little quick video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye now.